morning guys, I hope you guys are having an amazing Sunday. So we just woke up and super excited for the day because today's day and today's vlog is gonna be all about lychees and mangoes. I know they're like one of our favorite fruits. We love them. So from the place from the place where we're about to get our mangoes, they're gonna be coming in July. I don't really remember the name of those mangoes, but yeah, they'll be ready by July. But we just found a place nearby us that sells mangoes and lychees, and lychees are ready to go and mangoes will ripen in a week. So we're just going to go to that place, get some of it, try it. They said the lychees are very sweet, and they also said that anybody who got mangoes from them, they loved it. It's very sweet. They don't have those stringy things inside. So we are happy about that. So we're just gonna go and get them and show you guys everything. And that is what is going on. Mayank is freshening up. I also made my bed. You can see Marvel is right here. So once Mayank is out, I'm gonna give Marvel his breakfast, go for a walk. You guys know the routine, and then we'll start our day, enjoy our day, and see what this beautiful day has for us.
Hey guys. So basically, Tanya must have told you that we are gonna go pick some lychee and a mango farm. So we will be going there in some time. We are waiting for somebody to actually come over for some work, and then after that we'll leave. This guy is still here. And okay, so I did some work in the patio and reorganized it. So you will see there are no plants over here anymore. They are all over there because that side the least rain comes in. This side it's not just the rain, but since we are on the third floor, we have those, see how this thing runs here, water tunneling. It starts dripping off pretty badly over here, this side of the patio. So that is the reason we like reorganized everything. So even if we are not at home and it rains, we don't have to like worry about our plants getting destroyed. And this is like our little herb center. I don't know if Tanya already showed you all this, but this is our pathos plant, also called money plant, but this is called pathos. And this is our palm here. Our green peppers are looking so good. These are all herbs, cilantro, thyme, rosemary, mint, and a lot of cilantro here. So that's our basil. This is growing pretty good. So everything is looking pretty neat, pretty clean. So so that is what I did. I rearranged everything over here. Everything looks so cool. All the green stuff, we love it. And soon we'll go to that farm, and I hope you guys will have a lot of fun, because unfortunately we are a little bit late because, as I said, I'm waiting on somebody to come over. And sorry, I'm trying to keep a watch on the phone. We are a little late, otherwise we would have gone there and picked the lychee and stuff by ourselves, but all the lychees which were like reachable are gone. So we just spoke with them. They were like, okay, you can come here, we'll help you, like they'll get it for us. But yeah, that's what's going on today. So it's very exciting Sunday for us. And one thing about cilantro, many people confuse, oh, this is called cilantro over in US and it's called coriander in India. The actual, correct me if I'm wrong, but from what I know, the leaves that we use are called cilantro. So no matter where you live, it is supposed to be called cilantro. And the seed that we use, dhania seed, that is supposed to be called coriander. So that is why people get confused about this, but that is what it is supposed to be. The leaves that we use are cilantro. The seed that it gives, that you use dhania powder and sabit dhania that we use, that is called coriander. So I hope this clears up the confusion to some of us, because it took me some while to understand, hey, why do we call it cilantro over here versus coriander over there? But that's the real reason. It is supposed to be called cilantro. Anyways, so that's what I did after this morning. And Marvel is changing places. I have to make sure that I put him in the patio when this person comes in. So Yep, so stay tuned for the rest of the vlog, because soon we'll be hitting the road and going to the farm. And if you're already liking this vlog, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified for all the other videos. So stay tuned, guys.
Okay guys, so I am ready and Mayank is also almost ready. He's wearing his shoes. So we are going to get the lychees and mango. We're gonna be back in 1 hour, but still I'm just gonna grab a snack.
The guy said that the mangoes are not fully ripe yet.
Oh, so yeah, the guy was selling it, they are not ripe, but if you keep them outside they will be ripe or something.
We'll go and see. I mean,
yeah,
if they are at the stage where we can get them and keep them out for some time and they get ripe, that's fine.
Yeah.
We'll just wait for 2 more weeks and then go and pick it up.
Okay, so we are sure that we are gonna get lychees because they are very sweet and ready, but we are not sure about the mangoes. We'll go and check them out and then decide. And for snack, I'm carrying this Belvita soft bake. This is in banana flavor. I'm just carrying one for each, and I'm already done with most of the household work like cleaning and doing the laundry and keeping up everything inside and all that stuff. So that is done. Hold on. Okay, so yep, excited. Let's go get some lychees, and I'm so excited. I'm gonna eat lychees for like after I don't know how many years. Yeah. Last time I had when I was in Assam. Let me change my shoes. See, so we just came down our apartment and look at this tiny guy. Not tiny, he's quite big. Look at this turtle. Hi. Hi. Let me show his face. Yes. Hi, buddy. Hi. Hi. He was just crossing and going somewhere, I guess.
Do you want a leaf? Do you eat these leaves? Here. Here. Do you eat these leaves? I'm not hurting you. I'm not hurting you. Wait. Do you want to touch?
Can I touch her?
He's more scared than you are, little guy.
Hi, little guy. Where are you going?
He's like, I'm trying to move, but I think I'm flying.
There you go, I
Do
think.
you see that? Are you flying? Should I take you and give you a bath? Huh?
Oh, he's trying to walk.
Here. Walk, Bubba, walk. Where do you want to go? Can I drop you? Can I drop you somewhere? Look at that. Don't get scared.
I can like put a candle here and he can just move around.
You want to keep him in the grass somewhere that side?
I can do that.
Wait. Don't get far away from me. No. He's running.
You wanna hold him?
Mm-hmm. Okay, we are out. It's gonna take 20 minutes to reach there, and I tried to hold the turtle, but I was so scared.
Because his little paw touched her.
Yeah, so I was like, ah! But anyways, it was fun.
I'm glad she didn't pick him up.
Like too high because I just dropped him.
Yeah, but don't worry, he didn't.
But yeah, he didn't get hurt. He was just like
she barely picked him and like dropped him because he touched her.
But it was fun. He was like, let's take him home, give him a bath, feed him and all this stuff. Next time, definitely.
See, the other people took him.
Yeah, the other people came out and they took him. I think they're just gonna play with him.
The next time I'm gonna find him, I'm gonna take him and see Marvel's reaction, because he keeps trying to find.
Yeah, Marvel loves to play with them. He always finds their spot where they live and their hole and everything. So yeah. And that's it. We are going now, and it's just so hot.
Yeah.
I have no idea. What's the temperature? It's 87 degrees. Oh my god. It's so hot. Let's go and check out some fruits. So we are in this Jupiter Farms area, and look at the land and the houses. They're so beautiful. So they have like really big land space here.
I mean, basically these are farmhouses.
Farmhouses, yeah.
So
Look over here. like all this mango farm and lychee farm.
Okay guys, so we are here and let me show you. This place is amazing. The owner is amazing because let me show you here. Look at all these. Look at all this fruit, guys. Look at all this fruit and look at how Did you pluck one?
Yeah, he said you can taste one.
Go ahead, taste it. Let us know how is it. Let me find a spot so I can show you guys a little bit better. Look at this. There is so much fruit here. Look at this. And this is like half the fruit is already gone. How is it really good? It's really good. Look at these. This one is still growing. Look at all this. Look at this. Look at all that fruit, guys. Look at all that fruit.
And the seed is so like tiny and thin, so it has a lot of pulp. Like it's all pulp. Like it's
Nice.
good. Guys, he's eating it. Sweet. Nice. Yeah, they're really sweet.
Really good.
So we are so stupid. We came to a farm, but we did not get cash. We just got a card, and then we totally forgot that they only accept cash. But our coins saved us today because I had like bunch of coins, this entire glasses full of coins, and I kept it in the car so that I could go and convert it into notes. So finally, and it was just $7 for like 2 pounds of the lychees. So yes, so stupid. I'm feeling very shy and funny to give so many coins, but yeah, we gave $7 in coins. Like this one is supposed. So we'll just convert this now, and we'll be good. We'll just keep this much of cash in the car always. Anyways, so Mayank is going to give the cash, the money, and then we have our 2 pounds of lychee here.
It's actually more than 2 pounds. He gave us
Yeah.
2.5 pounds.
2.5 pounds.
I gave him definitely around $8 bucks.
Yeah,
instead of
$8.
7.
It was so funny. We were actually about to go to the ATM and get cash, but then
We managed to pull out some change.
Yeah, and they're like still. Hold on, let me show you. See, so much of coins here. We'll definitely convert this now.
Okay, so let's go home.
Let's go home.
Wash these lychees, put them in the fridge, and start eating them.
Yeah, once they're nice and cold.
Oh boy. Do let us know how many of you do like lychee.
Lychees, yeah.
And if you had fun with us so far, don't forget to subscribe.
Like and share.
So let's get this rolling here.
Let's go.
So we just made it in time. We had to run from our car to the building because it started raining so bad. Look at that weather. Harry, what were you doing?
Hi, Barbie.
Come here. What were you doing? Marvel.
Yes, I know. Mommy got lychees. Come on.
Huh? He's
Come here.
Are you looking at the lychees? What were you doing?
What are you doing, Marvel?
Motu? Good boy. You stay inside. See, the water doesn't come over there.
Yeah.
See how bad it's raining. So anyways, we are home, and let me turn on some lights because it's very dark in here now because of the weather. And we're gonna show you lychees.
I know you have never seen lychees in your life, so this is your first time seeing lychees. Okay? So remember, this red fruit is called lychee. I'm not sure. Can we give lychee to dogs?
I don't know, we have to Google it.
Okay. So we'll find it out. If we can give this to you, then we'll give you. You remember watermelon? This looks like a small watermelon. Red. See, smell.
This is tiny
Don't touch it.
watermelon.
Yes? Do you think it is delicious? It is very delicious. Yes. Okay, let us show to all our viewers how much lychee we got. And see, we plugged. Oh, we got a
Tiny
one.
baby lychee. Look at this good boy here.
We got so many lychees. Freshly picked. So many lychees.
Yeah.
That's it.
Marvel? What do you want? Do you want the lychee?
You probably just what?
Hold on, let me go and check out the rain. Woo! Look at the rain! Oh my god, it is raining so badly. Babe, I think you will have to remove. No, I think that's fine. The white plant under the green one.
It should be fine. Let's see what happens to that.
Okay. So these plants are safe this
directly
side.
it's not going over
Yeah.
there.
Oh my god, guys, look at the rain.
I think basil should be safe, or else do you want me to put it there?
I think it will be safe.
I mean, you said there should not be any water.
You can
on
see
the
that
leaves.
line of water coming down that way. Look at him.
Margot, sit. Let daddy take the shoes. I pulled you.
Marvel, you're such a good boy. Come here, Bobby. Wow, mommy has so many lychees. Wow. Okay, guys, so I washed the lychees and kept it in 2 of these ziplocs. And whenever we are ready to eat, I mean whenever they are actually nice and cold, we'll eat them. And that is it for our today's vlog. So this was like a very nice, something new, going to a new place, finding out new things. Like we wanted to check out this place which has, we actually wanted to get lychees, but the place that we wanted to go was a bit far. And
We will go when they're when
mangoes are ready. We will go
to
there.
a mango farm very soon.
Yeah. So that's it. This was our lychee farm trip for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. We'll see you in our next vlog. So till then, bye bye.